Hey there, fellow foodies. I'm getting ready to make one of my favorite soups. It's a Thai tom yum goong, a shrimp and spicy sour soup. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep watching. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients here. So I got lemongrass. This is galangal and kaffir lime, shallots, and some red chili. Start with the lemongrass. And slice that into fairly thick slices, and the galangal. Okay, about 5 pieces of that enough. It's pretty strong. Shallot. Cut that into fairly big pieces. Take off the stem from the lime leaf. Okay, slice the chili. Okay. Okay, first add the water. And add all our vegetables. And add the Thai chili paste. Okay, about a half teaspoon of salt. Just a little bit of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon. We got nice oyster mushrooms. And then we add the evaporated milk. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, and I've got some very nice, beautiful fresh shrimp here. Add 5 pieces of that. You can use whatever kind of shrimp you like. Doesn't really matter. Okay. And the color's starting to come nicely now. Getting a bit red color. Okay, you don't need to cook it too long. So I'm going to turn off the gas now. Okay, so now I've got some fresh coriander and spring onions. Just going to chop that up. Okay, so after you've turned off the gas, then add your lime juice. Put 3 spoons of that. Make sure you use lime, don't use lemon. Lime's much nicer flavor for this. Then I'm going to add most of the coriander and the spring onion. Leave a little bit more for the garnish. Okay, look at that nice color. Okay, I'm getting ready to dive into my tom yum soup here. You can eat it together with rice like I do, or just eat it alone, it's fine. So let's give it a try. Wow, so good. So if you like this dish, please give me a thumbs up or share it. I am definitely going to put this into my Chef Notes notebooks. And it was a pleasure to cook with you. Stay happy cooking.